Hey everyone, today we're going to continue with division, but we are going to learn a new strategy, and that is repeated subtraction. Now that probably sounds similar to something we've already learned, which is repeated addition. So before I explain what this is, I'm just going to do a quick reminder of what repeated addition was that helped us with multiplication. So if we want to count all these cats, we could. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But they're in groups of 3, so we can add them quicker by going 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, and that equals 12. So 3 times 4 equals 12, because there are 3 cats in each group, there are 4 groups, and there are 12 cats in total. Again, that's just a reminder of how repeated addition works. Now, repeated subtraction is something we use for division. And what it means is subtracting the same number more than once. So let's say we have the division question, 20 divided by 5. We can use a repeated subtraction to find that out. So we start with the first number and we're going to subtract the second number as many times as we need to until the answer is 0. So if we just do it once, 20 minus 5 equals 15. 15 is not 0, so we continue. This time, 20 minus 5 equals 10. Again, not quite at 0. 20 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 equals 5. Almost there, but not quite at 0. 20 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5 equals 0. So that's where we want to be. We want to have 0 at the end. And if we count, we subtracted 5 4 times. So that means that 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Let's look at another example. This time if we had 12 divided by 4. So we're going to do a repeated subtraction starting with 12 and minusing 4 as many times as we need to until the answer is 0. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. We're not at 0 yet. 12 minus 4 equals 4, not at 0 yet. 12 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 equals 0, and that's what we want. We want to get to 0. Now, if we count, we had to subtract the 4 3 times, which means that 12 divided by 4 equals 3. I'm going to do one last example, but this time with pictures so we can kind of see what's going on. So let's say we have the division question, 8 divided by 2. So I have my 8 Shopkins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to subtract 2 each time until there are none left. So I took 2 away, but we still have some left over. I took another 2 away, still some left over. I took another 2 away, we still have some left over. I took another 2 away, and now we're at 0. And remember, we want to get to 0 in repeated subtraction. And because we subtracted 1, 2, 3, 4 times, that means that 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Congratulations, you finished the lesson.